Hi, welcome to yet another video of Parents Club by Tales Junior, where parents meet, network and even grow together. If you are a parent and you wish to join our parent community, please click on the link mentioned in the description and you will have free access to newsletters or webinars, and you can even network with parents across the country or throughout the globe. We are doing a series of short videos. However, if you do not have time, please leave your email address in the comment box and we will send you the PDF of the information that we give here for you to refer in the future. Hi everyone, so today we have Dr. Neena with us. She is the head of pediatric ophthalmology in Giridhar Eye Institute. Thank you, doctor, for joining us today. So we have a few questions as parents regarding the health of our children's eyes. So the first question I would like to ask you is regarding the screen time management. Ever since with the onset of COVID, children have been using a lot of screen time. So can you tell us effective ways in which we can manage the screen time?
Okay. So first of all, let me thank you for having me here. So I would say that all screen time is not bad. In fact, a lot of things we're able to do in this pandemic because of the availability of technology and gadgets. Even children are able to attend their schools because of availability of this facility. But what is more important is how you use it. So all screen time is not bad, but what is dangerous is unstructured, unregulated screen time. So what I would say is that make sure your kids, when they're using the gadgets, you must be able to have a parental control over it, and you should have a structured screen time. So I could just put it as maybe healthy screen habits, smart screen time, and taking a break from the screen occasionally. So this would be the three key points in managing your screen time.
So how often do you suggest that the children should take a screen time break, or like you just said, how often do they need to take this eye break?
See, what is recommended is a 20-20-20 rule. That means every 20 minutes you take a 20-second break and look at 20 feet away. Now we know that's not really practical because the classes go on for 30 to 45 minutes and it's not practical to take a 20 minutes break every time. So what I have seen is what is possible is that we could take a break after every 30 to 45 minutes, which is the usual time of a class. So you take a 10 minutes break. Most children have a 10 to 15 minutes gap in between the classes. So you could take a break, and what I want to tell my young friends is that when you get a break, don't look into your gadgets again. You just go out into the balcony or go out into the garden of your house and look at far and relax your eyes, because you're constantly looking at near. Your near apparatus gets tired, so you want to give it a break.
Can you please tell us something about the anti-glare glasses? Would that help to manage, somewhere in screen time, would that help?
Yeah, what is more important, I feel, is that if your child has a refractive error and he or she has been prescribed glasses, they ought to wear it. What I've seen in this pandemic is most kids have taken off their glasses because most of them would be having difficulty with distant vision, and they feel, okay, I can see well without my glasses for near, so I don't have to wear it. And they convince their parents also. So that's not right. So if you're prescribed the glasses, first wear your glasses. Secondly, if you feel that there is a lot of glare from your screen, you can adjust the glare in your screen, even in your phone. All those facilities are available with the instrument itself. So even after that you're finding it difficult, then only I would recommend an anti-glare coating for the glasses. Most of the latest computers and the gadgets have an anti-glare screen. So only if that doesn't work, you can go for an anti-glare coating on your glasses.
Doctor, can you tell us what are the healthy screen habits?
Yeah, so when I say healthy screen habits, what I mean is that first thing is three things are very important: the right type of gadget that you use, the correct posture, and the lighting. So these three things are very important. So make sure your child has a bigger or a larger medium to use. So many people give their mobiles. So if it's possible, switch over to a larger medium like a laptop or a tablet, or even if you can't afford that, you could always connect your mobile to the TV through an HDMI cable. So if they can see it on a bigger screen, the better. Second thing would be the posture. So I have seen most kids take it very casually when it comes to online classes, and they sometimes lie down and lean back or sit in different kinds of postures and watch the classes, which is not right. So if you're watching a screen, it should be in an upright posture, and ideally your eyes should be slightly at a higher level from the middle of the screen. So that would be the advantage of having a correct posture, and your back should be straight. So this is an ergonomic working posture for a healthy screen time. Third thing would be the light. So make sure that light doesn't hurt your eyes. So ideally it should come from behind. It should not directly fall onto your eyes and hurt your eyes. So even if that doesn't work, you can always adjust the screen light and the light with the room light. The screen light can be adjusted. So these 3 points are very important. And last but not the least, clean your monitors. So we often use it with a lot of there is not much of care given to the screen cleanliness. So you can just clean it with a regular, so any solution which is advised, and keep it smudge free, and all those things will help you to have a good viewing comfort when you're watching the screens.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for joining us today. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much for all the answers you've given us. It's really been of great help to all of us here, all of us parents here. Thank you so much once again from Tale Tellers.
My pleasure.